What's up everybody, Bubba Dees here. Do you want to know how to make one of the best recipes in the Instapot? Let me show you how. You're going to need 2 pounds of boneless chicken breast, thinly sliced, just like that. You're going to need a mixing bowl, you're going to need some oil, some lemon zest, some coriander, some soya sauce, some kosher salt, some curry, some sugar, some coconut milk. If you're a little adventurous, you can also put jalapeno peppers in and a little bit of cayenne. So mix that all together, put the lid on, put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. The longer the better. Go ahead and get your Instapot. After you have marinated it, go ahead and put all of that in your Instapot. No need to add additional water. Okay, now we're going to be doing 5 minutes on the Instapot. Make sure you seal it. And you're going to be doing a natural release, which means you're going to let the pressure naturally release from the Instapot. Slice up some lemons, get a little bowl, add some water, cornstarch, and that's going to be to thicken up your sauce once it gets out of the Instapot. So after 15 minutes, that's allowing it to naturally release, it's ready. Go ahead and put your cornstarch mix right in, serve it, plate it, and the best part is about to start. We gotta eat it, but before we eat it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, follow along for new videos, and hey, this is my time to shine. Get my fork out, take a scoop, and enjoy this amazing curry coconut lemon chicken. This has to be one of the best recipes in the Instapot. Period. Give it a try. See you next time.